This is that once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime, never thought I'd find love. I'm just another lost soul, looking for who to trust. Rainy day in Tokyo, getting a wife is definitely must. But if that love fade away, it's gonna fly just like some dust. Depression wouldn't go away, I feel like it's attached. The last time I had a task, when she stabbed me in my back. She going through my phone, keep asking who is that. I never did the same thing, but I'll find something, that's a fact. I love me a sweet girl, I treat her like a queen. She focused on my past, even though the future's the main thing. I never came off as a singing guy, but for her I'll do anything. I think I was so in love, I wanted to buy a wedding ring. Your word cuts deeper than any blade, that's a reference from Naruto. You could cuss me out and I'll probably still say I'm sorry though, because my character never breaks when it's so hurt. I'm usually the type of guy to probably do a girl worse, but as a changed young man I figured out that would never work. Hurting somebody because you hurt will only make it worse. But besides that fact, I think I found the one. I call her like something probably from a treasure hunt. She a little nice one, but definitely ain't no fun. She'll have a girl looking ugly and smelling like a skunk. One day it's September, a girl hit me up. I should've left it alone, but knowing me, I said what's up. A little time passed by and she said she wanna fuck. I told her I'm not that type of guy, so you definitely out of luck. I'm probably the nicest dude to the worst people, and Lord knows how that sucks. But for now on, I'll be keeping my feelings on top. I'm done talking about my life and the things that's come true. But on a beat like this, you could probably write some too. What a wonderful day in the city of Tokyo. I'm not fully mature, but I for sure go though.